Koenigsegg is fresh out of Regeras, brings restored 210 to Geneva. The Swedish supercar maker Koenigsegg is making an appearance at the Geneva Motor Show. On the Koenigsegg stand will be two slightly different versions of Regeras and a refurbished 2006 CCX. The presence of the certified Legends 210 is partially due to the fact that every single Regera from the 80-unit production run has been sold. As we reported last summer, there simply are no more current Koenigsegg models available, so inspecting, refurbishing and reselling certified used Koenigsegg seems like a sensible thing to do. For the buyer, a certified Legend car is as close to a new one as possible, or even further. They will have the latest parts, equipment, and technology, meaning such a 210 might be better than it was in 2006. They are also backed with a 2-year factory warranty. The two Regeras at the show are both customer cars, one in crystal white and the other in Swedish blue. The former has more aero parts on it, as it has been specified with the Ghost package, which increases downforce by 20%. Both have the hybrid twin-turbo powertrain capable of 1,500 horsepower. The V8 itself accounts for 1,100 of those.